So beautiful!
In the enchanted castle where the magic begins, grab your magic pencil, let the colors spin. From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light, at Princess Design Academy, you're shining bright.
Let's draw with magic and fun.
We are designing our dreams in a 3D world where everything gleams with 3D magic and all that free. Learning together at the Academy. Annabella shows us the royal way. Myrna brings the sparkle to every day. Valkyrie is brave with the brush in her hand. Katina draws the cutest shapes in the land. Aphrodite knows fashion, so she can so fine. But let's make sure that our accessories shine. A high heel shoe or a magic fish in the sea. We're the best designers that we can be.
Wow!